Today we are going to make a multiplication activity. The problem here is 421 into 2. So to make this we need 4 hundreds, 100, 200, 300 and then 400. 400 and here 2 tens. 2 tens and then 1 ones. And then we need to, the multiplier here is 2. So we need to put 2 papers like this. So one here and second one is over here. Mark the intersection points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 100 equals to 800. And then next 2 tens. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So 4 into 10. Tens are 40. And next ones. So 1 then 2. 2 into 1. 2. And then let's add. So 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 8 plus 0 is 8 and 8 plus 0 is 8. So answer is 842. Next, let's check the product here. Is it the same number? So 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. Yes, it's the correct product.